So this is one microbit among several microbits, all of which have the new radio module on them using MicroPython, and I've programmed them to act like fireflies. So when one flashes, they respond, and another one may randomly respond in turn as well, so that you get sequences of flashes. So if I press a button like this, hey, they've all flashed. Now, it works better in the dark, so perhaps if you kill the lights and then press the button on one of the microbits, okay, and if we press it several times, we'll see that sometimes there's a sequence like this one here, where they're sort of flashing at each other and then they die down, and again, and sometimes they just flash once. Cool, huh?